guys, today I'm going to share with you my fall decor. So we're going to start outside, and the first thing that I have is this pumpkin welcome sign. I love this. I think it's super cute. I got it from Hobby Lobby and I just thought it was adorable. And then as we walk up my walkway here, you see my little pumpkin patch. My son helped me put this together and I just love it. Right here, I have my Love Fall Most of All rug. I got that from Target, I believe, and then the other mat from Hobby Lobby. And then right here, you have all of our pumpkins, and the pumpkin sign is from Hobby Lobby, as well as the smaller bale of hay. This larger one here is from a local pumpkin patch. And then we just got an assortment of pumpkins. I have my welcome sign that I had custom made, and then the smaller hay bale was from Hobby Lobby, and I think the bigger one might have been from Hobby Lobby as well. I can't remember, but I love how it turned out. I love the D sign on the door. That was from Kirkland's. I'm just super happy with it. I think it's so cute and I love it. Okay, so then when you come in, I have this Hello Pumpkin rug that I got from Target. So cute, right by my front door. And don't mind my poor pup, he's in a cone. He got neutered the other day. But yeah, I love that rug. I think it's so cute. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do an overview of all of the decor. I'm gonna put some fun music with it, and then I will come back and tell you where everything is from. So enjoy!
Shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel
Okay guys, so in my kitchen I got all of my fall rugs from Target. This fall wreath from Hobby Lobby. Into the kitchen, I got my fun Halloween towels from Target. I got this wood pumpkin from Target, and then this sign I got from Hobby Lobby, and this little stand from Hobby Lobby as well, and the candle is from Sea Love. I will link them down below. They're healthy, non-toxic candles, so you can feel good about burning them. And this one is in the scent Little Red, and it has applewood and fern, and it smells amazing. Okay, over here I have another wood pumpkin that is from Target with the twinkly lights, super cute. And then I have this fall arrangement. The arrangement is from Hobby Lobby, and the glass jar is from Urban Farm Girl. Those are also from Target. And I've got my cute little pumpkin on a stand. The pumpkin is from Target, and the stand, I believe, is from IKEA. I love how my dining room turned out. So cute. All of this decor on the table is from Hobby Lobby. The runner, the plates, the centerpiece, and the pumpkins. The only thing from Target are the candles in the middle. And then this is my stand that I absolutely love to change out for the seasons. This sign is from Hobby Lobby. The candle is from Sea Love, and this one is in Hello Autumn. It's pumpkin and persimmon, and it smells amazing, just like fall. This cute little truck is from Target. The pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby. This stand is from Hobby Lobby, and then all the pumpkins and pine cones are from Hobby Lobby as well. And the little fall sign is either from Target or Hobby Lobby last year. I can't remember. But I love how that turned out. And then turning to look in our living room, I absolutely love how it turned out. Looks so cozy, and I just couldn't be happier. Everything is from Hobby Lobby except the pumpkin is from Target. Super cute. Then here is our sectional, super comfy, from Ashley. Love it. I threw this blanket on here just to give it a little bit of an even cozier vibe. And then my fall pillows are from Target a couple of years ago. And this sign is from, I believe, Hobby Lobby. And then I loved decorating this. This is like the staple centerpiece of my living room, and I just love it. So I got all of the pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. Again, that is from Hobby Lobby and Urban Farm Girl, the Main Street Market. These pieces are from Hobby Lobby, as are the glass and stone pumpkins. So cute, love how it turned out. And then over here, I just have another candle from Sea Love. This one is Maine Pine. It's pine, cedarwood, and vanilla. It smells so good. And this metal pumpkin, I think, is from Target or Hobby Lobby. I can't remember. And over here on our TV stand, we have more Hobby Lobby decor. I love this picture. I wanted to get the little soap dispenser that looked like this truck, but they were all sold out. Such a bummer. And down here, this sign is from Hobby Lobby, and these fabric pumpkins are from Target. Really love how that turned out as well. The view into the kitchen and dining room. And then in the kids' bathroom, I did just add this little fall bouquet on their sink. And I also have this Happy Fall Y'all rug by the patio door.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light
that's going to be it. I hope you guys enjoyed.